Hey little bugs, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a hair tutorial. One of the first that I've ever done, but I feel like it's been past due because in every makeup tutorial I do, at the end I always curl my hair, but I do it off camera, and I always get questions like, what do I use, what do I put in my hair to keep it so long and, you know, shiny and stuff like that. So I figured this was the perfect time. I teamed up with Foxy Bae. Oh my gosh, I love this box so much. It's rose gold and it just looks like, I don't know, it just looks so fancy. So I teamed up with them to do this hair tutorial for you guys. So I'm going to show y'all what I put into my hair when I get out of the shower, what heat protectant I use, and how I curl my hair. Now the types of curls that I personally like are those like loose, beachy waves. Like I don't really like tight curls at all. And normally when I curl my hair, these curls last me about 2 to 3 days, and I don't use hairspray at all. I don't know, it's just something that I just never thought was necessary. I feel like this curler works amazing with keeping my curls intact that lasts me days. And I mean, second day curls are the prettiest because that's when they're really just loose and it looks way more natural. So I just took a shower and this is my hair when it air dries. I don't really like to use blow dryers, especially if I know I'm gonna curl my hair that day. I don't want to add too much heat to my hair even when I do use a heat protectant, so I normally let my hair air dry. After I get out of the shower, I use normally the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum, or I use this, and you can buy this from Sally's. This is the generic value product, and I mean, it even says on the bottle that it's compared to the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. This one's only like $7. The Paul Mitchell one's a lot more expensive, and basically this just soothes and adds shine to your hair. Like my hair feels so soft right now. I haven't even brushed it or anything. Like this is my natural hair completely with just this product in it. Actually, I probably should brush my hair. So Foxy Bae sent me over a whole set. So the first thing that comes in the set is this brush, and I think it's so cute, and it's rose gold. You know, rose gold is my absolute favorite color. I love brushes like these. I feel like this just gets all my tangles, and I'm just way more comfortable with like a bigger brush. So I'm just gonna brush my hair first because I haven't brushed it today. I've just been letting my hair air dry while I did my makeup. The set also comes with some Foxy Bae ponytails, which I love these. These are so cute. I think I'm gonna use this like pink one first. And I always like to separate my hair and kind of put it in sections when I curl it. I feel like it just makes it so much easier. So I'm gonna separate it right now. It doesn't really matter how many like parts you want to put it in or anything like that, but then I just wrap it up like this so that it doesn't get in the way, and then I just place the ponytail over it. And these are really good ponytails. And now this is the curling iron. It's already plugged in, but of course it's off, and it says off right here. And then you turn it on by pressing this button. And I love this curler so much. It's so cute. It looks so fancy, and it's rose gold, again, one of my favorite colors. And the reason why it's actually rose gold titanium is because it's supposed to make your hair really, really shiny and hold in the curl, which like I said earlier, it actually really does. It helps me a lot to hold in my curls. And another thing that I love about this wand is that my hair is actually pretty, you know, like kind of thin. It's not really like thick and volumized as I wish it was, but if you do have really thick hair, this temperature control is going to help you so much, because when you do have thick hair, you may need more heat. So it goes up, let's see, I'm going to turn it on. I normally have it at about 360, but this can go up to 430. Like, that's crazy. That's really hot. I'm not going to put it right there because my hair is way too thin for all that. And it doesn't take long to heat up at all. Like, literally, this is going to be heated up in like 5 seconds. The set also comes with a cute little carrying bag, which if you watched my latest vlog when we went to LA for my mom's birthday, I love to curl my hair, especially when I know I'm going out or I'm going to see a lot of people. So I knew I had to bring it with me on my trip. And also inside the box that it comes in, it does have a glove. So if you're like a beginner or you just don't like trust the curling iron, you can definitely wear a glove to protect you from the heat. Unfortunately, I curl my hair like way too much, so I'm used to it already. I feel like this set comes with so much. It also came with some bobby pins, and I know that online they have a lot of holiday bundles, and they also gave me a code, so I will link this in the description box along with more information if you want to check out Foxy Bae online. But they did give me a $70 off coupon code, and it's Foxy Brittney, and that's for all curling wands, so you don't have to get this one. I do recommend this one just because I personally love this one, but if you're not into this or you like different types of wands, smaller, thicker, whatever you like, you can get $70 off for those using my code. Okay, so now that this is heated up already, I am going to take a strand of my hair, and normally depending on how thick of a piece of hair I get or how thin, depends on how wavy my hair is going to look. Because when you use thinner pieces of hair, the curl is going to be a lot tighter. But when you use like thicker pieces, like I'm probably going to grab about this much, it gives you looser curls. And now I hold it down from this angle and I just wrap my hair around like this, and then I literally count to like 10 and then I'm done. I never leave the wand on my hair for longer than 10 seconds because like I said, my hair is so thin. And then immediately after I release the curl, I kind of run my fingers through it just so it's not tight. I want it very loose, very like natural wavy hair. And then I'm going to grab another piece and do the same thing. In literally like 10 seconds, that's all you need. Oh my god, I didn't even put on my heat protectant. What am I thinking? Okay, sorry, I forgot to put on my heat protectant. So this I also got from Sally's, and it's turn up the heat. It's a flat iron protection, but you can use it for anything, curling irons, flat irons, whatever you like. So I'm just gonna spray a little heat protectant on my hair. I love this because it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. And then I'm just gonna brush it all through my hair. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing on this part. Guys, I literally broke another nail. Look at this. Like, I literally broke this right before I was about to film. And I don't want to flip you off, but it's my middle finger. Okay, and so now that I've finished that section of my hair, I'm going to let it down and then get a new section of my hair. Okay, so once I get to like the final strands of my hair, which are going to be the closest ones to my face, these curls kind of basically shape your face. So I like to do thinner parts instead of thicker parts like I did with the rest of my hair, just so I can give it that really nice curl. Because the first thing people are going to see are these curls right here. And I leave these on actually less than 10 seconds, like literally once I'm done, I let it go. Because since they are thinner parts, you gotta be careful because you don't want them looking too tight. You know what I mean? We don't want those little like, what do they call them? Like little poodle curls? Or you know, like back then when girls would have their quinceañeras and they would literally have their curls so tight. I never had a quinceañera, did y'all? I've always wanted one, but actually no, I didn't think I wanted one when I was 15. Like, I used to go to them a lot, like before I was 15. I would go to everybody's. But then once I hit 15, I was like, I don't want a big party. Like, it just wasn't my thing, like doing stuff like that. My mom wanted to throw me one so bad, but I was like, no mom, I don't want one. I probably should have had one. And now once I'm done curling it, what I'm going to do is just like play with my hair. Like literally just play with my hair, you know, on those like Pantene commercials or whatever, where they're like flipping their hair back and forth. Was it Pantene or was it Tresemme? I don't remember what commercial it was, but do you remember those girls? They would like play with their hair and it looked like they were like breaking their necks. And this is basically just to like loosen up the curls some more, kind of make everything more like touchable. Because that's really why I don't use hairspray at all, is I just, no matter how much it says, like it's not going to make your hair crispy or like hard, or it's like, oh, you know, your hair's still touchable. I don't feel like it is. I feel like once I put hairspray, my hair is like ruined. And alright, love bugs, that completes this hair tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like these curls. I don't know if you can see all of them. I don't want to like flash you guys, but they're very loose and very wavy, and that's exactly how I like them. Thank you so much again, Foxy Bae, for reaching out to me and letting me do this hair tutorial for you guys. I know I'm always curling my hair off camera, so it feels good to finally be able to do it on camera for you guys and show you just how I get it. And I feel like the curler makes my hair just so much more shinier. All the products that I use I definitely recommend for you guys, so make sure you check it out. I will have everything linked in the description box along with my $70 off code for Foxy Bae. If you enjoyed watching this video and you want some more hair tutorials, I would love to start doing that. I don't really do a lot with my hair, but it would definitely get me out of my comfort zone, kind of out of my box, to try new things for you guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, love bugs, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
If I hit her, she can break up with me. Stand right here. Stand right there. No, stand right there. Look at the camera and just smile. Look cute right there. I'm not gonna hit you. I'm guaranteed. Look at this.